I know what you're wondering. What is the introverting introvert doing? Well, I'm getting exercise. I'm biking. I love to bike, I really do. But it's been a while since I did bike. And I can give you 114 excuses, which you would not believe and shouldn't, of why I have not been doing what I really like to do, and that's biking. Biking is an introvert's dream come true. Now, I'm not talking about biking with a group, and everybody encouraging everybody else, which is wonderful. But what I'm talking about is riding your bike alone. Introverting alone. Bicycling. You can't, it looks really funny when you're out there bowling by yourself. Golfing, you can golf by yourself, but everybody thinks you're a nut. You can't play tennis by yourself. A lot of things you can't do by yourself, or it looks just so freaking weird, But you can bike by yourself, alone, by yourself. Alone, down south we say, by yourself. You can bike alone, and that's what I'm doing. Today is my first day back on the trail. And I'm giving myself positive talk as I'm bicycling. Man, this is wonderful. Oh man, this is great. This is so easy. Look at it's the spring smells so good, and why have I not done this? I mean, I'm just full of all kinds of chemistry that's wonderful, And but then I thought, yeah, but tomorrow I'll be maybe a little sore, and I might think, well, this is wonderful, but it's not as wonderful. But somewhere along the way, my body is going to say, okay, that's enough. Because my chemical core, my chemistry, everything is chemistry. My chemical core chemistry, will tell me that everything is okay, that I don't need to push my body. My body will say, that's the core chemistry, my body will say, we had everything perfect. You don't need this. You don't eat that much. Well, you eat that much. You eat a lot sometimes, but not a whole lot. You eat good food. Most of the time, you eat pretty good food, You drink a lot of, no, I don't drink a lot of water. I should drink more water. But my body is going to tell me there is no reason why you have to do what you're doing to us. Everything was fine. Just leave us alone and go back to the core chemistry that we're so used to. In other words, we have a habit, a chemical habit of being lazy. We have a chemical habit of not exercising, a chemical habit that says everything is okay. For the next few introverting introverts, I want to talk to you about that core chemistry. I want to talk to you about the fact that life is habit forming. And if you're wondering who you are and wondering who I am, I'll tell you who you are and what I am. Or who you are, who I am. Who I am, what you are. We are one big habit and a million little habits on autopilot. On autopilot. And we call it ourselves. We call it our personality. We call it, that's the way we're wired. We call it, that's just the way we are. And that's our core chemistry. The next few sessions, we're going to talk about core chemistry and how you and I can change that core chemistry and make our lives a lot, lot better. And remember I said that.